Kabayan, ilang taon ka na bang nagtatrabaho pero pakiramdam mo ay laging kapos pa rin? Alam nyo, akala ko noon, magkaroon lang ako ng magandang trabaho, ayos na. Makakatulong na ako sa pamilya, magagawa ko na ang gusto ko, at makakapagbigay pa rin ako pabalik sa komunidad. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi pala ganoon kadali. Habang tumatagal, tumataas man ang sweldo, mas mabilis pa rin tumaas ang mga gastusin. Parang laging kulang. Kung ramdam nyo ito, para sa inyo ang video na ito. Ako nga pala si Janice. I worked in the corporate world for so many years bilang parte ng kanilang finance team. I love what I'm doing, pero kahit gaano ako ka-dedicated sa work, the rising costs and the growing family responsibilities made me feel like I was just getting by. Naisip ko, kailangan ko maghanap ng ibang paraan. Isang paraan na pwede kong gawin na hindi lalo nauubos ang oras at lakas ko. Hanggang sa matagpuan ko itong digital business. I was skeptical, I had my doubts, but I did my due diligence and took the leap of faith. It opened a new path for me, one that aligned with the kind of life I was hoping to create. Dito ko nakilala si Janina, dala ng kanyang profesyon bilang isang nurse. She used to work long hours at wala na ring time for her family. Nang simulan niya itong business na ito, she was able to get back that time, worked less hours, and achieved a much better financial situation. As a matter of fact, much better than what her regular job could offer. Now she enjoys more of that flexibility in her day-to-day life. The good thing about this program is, hindi natin kailangan ng business background or tech skills. Dahil may video training tayo na madaling masundan. Very detailed ito at very thorough. Pero kung may part na nahihirapan ka, we have mentors and a very supportive community that we can turn to and ask for help. Isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito ay, hindi natin kailangan kulitin ang ating mga kamag-anak or kaibigan. Dahil we have a system in place na gumagana sa lahat ng oras and which does most of the heavy lifting for us. So we are able to manage things even on a busy schedule. In this journey, I've gained a lot of new skills. Hindi lang sa business, kundi sa pangsarili din. It gave me so much personal growth. Nagkaroon ako ng peace of mind at higit sa lahat, a much better outlook for my future. So kung pagod ka na sa kakatrabaho pero pakiramdam mo ay kulang pa rin, kung naghahanap ka ng flexible lifestyle pero hindi mo alam kung paano simulan, tap mo lang ang link sa baba, register with your name and email address. I will then send you the link to our complimentary info session. Hindi ito para sa lahat. Ito ay para sa mga hardworking ladies out there who are coachable with a positive mindset and are open for change. So, kung kayo ito, tap mo lang ang link sa baba. Tap mo lang ang link sa baba, saan man yan, register with your name and email address, watch the webinar. This will also give you a chance to know if this is something worth exploring. So I hope to see you on the inside. As with any business, results will vary and cannot be guaranteed.